Good, good evening to all of you. And today I will tell you some important fact and some four important fact which is really very important for you. I know that you will get profit to learn this fact. I don't know how to explain properly. I am also learning English. That's why I just want to tell you everything. I will just try to explain properly and you listen it carefully that which tips, which fact I am about to tell you today. I think that you have heard many times about this fact, and that is the fact you will also listen today, but I will also tell you that what important things is hidden in that fact, which is really I will recommend you just try to do that things. And this is the fact, his name is that thinking in English. You just try to think in English. You know that this fact is as powerful as you will never believe that how much powerful is this fact. If you are able to listen everything, if you are able to read everything, and you don't know how to speak more, I think that your mind goes blank due to about your thinking. You don't think that what I shall have to speak next. That's why your mind goes to blank. Your mind will never blank. Your mind will never go blank because you will know everything if you start thinking in English. Think in English. You know that what you are doing here, you are speaking English before thinking. And if you are able to do this thing, that whatever you want to say, you just think in English and you just speak and speak. You do not try to translating your native language, and after that you should not try to speak English because this is not good. You do not try to think in English and you just translate at first in your native language. After that you speak, it means that you are doing huge mistakes. You just give up these things. Why you are doing these things? You just think in English. Just explain everything in English. First of all, you feel shyness at your home. Whatever small things you do at your home, you should try to speak in English. I need some water. I need some things which is you need. You just try to speak in English. Why you are feel shyness at your home? And if I tell you that if you understand everything in English and you don't know how to speak English and your mind goes blank to speak anything, you know that this is the fact of your thinking. You don't have such idea to think in English. That's why you feel nervous. You do not think that your word doesn't come in your mind. That's why you feel very nervousness that what I shall have to say here, but I am just forgot everything. What will happen whenever I just try to speak anything? I totally forgot whatever I want to say. So this is the bad thing which is you are facing here. You start today. This is not a hard fast thing that you will never do these things. You can do this thing and you'll have to do this thing day to day. And second thing is that self practice. Self practice is the most important thing. If you try to make this habit, definitely you will get profit. You haven't think about your friends, about your partner, that if I want to speak English, I shall have to go there, I shall have to call him. After that, I will discuss. No, you just try to self practice yourself. How you can do these things? You can do these things very easily. You just set your home and start thinking something. What you did today? What is your hobby? And wherever you want to go tomorrow, you just think in English and start speaking yourself. Self practice means you will have to do practice yourself. Whatever you want to say, which question you ask, you will answer yourself. That is the self practice. And you will have to learn these things. You know that if you want to progress, if you want to do something different work in your life, people laugh at your English. You just progress in your English. Why you are taking too much time? You can do this thing or not. Definitely, you have knowledge, present, past, future, and you have knowledge, model verb, that you just start speaking day to day. Why you are thinking that I will become perfect and I will speak English after some time? You do not think like that. You just start speaking day to day, and you just think whenever I will make mistake, I will remove my mistake in speaking time. I don't want to be perfect day to day. For become perfect, I shall have to practice too much. I will take time. This is time taking things. Why you are thinking that you will do this work day to day? You will never make mistake. You will make mistake every time this time. And you will confident. You should proud yourself that at least you are making mistakes. Someone doesn't want to speak English a single word. That's why someone is not making mistakes, and someone are very happy that no, I am not making mistake, but they don't know that they don't want to start their journey. That's why I'm telling you that you just do self practice. And third thing is that you do not think about your mistakes. Mistakes what? If you make mistakes, your mistakes is proof that you are practicing. You want to become fluent. That's why you are making mistakes. If I am speaking here, definitely I will make mistakes because I am also beginner. But I have some idea which is I am explaining in front of you, and you are listening.